All right, as you can see, my Echo folder right now is kind of messy. So we're going to talk about a few things you can do to clean this up. The first thing is create some folders. So let's go ahead and create a folder called first quarter. First quarter, save. Then there's a little arrow here. If you click down on that little arrow, it'll show you, oh, there it is, where it is, or what's in there rather, I'm sorry. So when it has this add to first quarter showing, that means you can drag things in there. So let's say I wanted to add that to there, and it'll turn green, so you know it's adding that in there. Let's add that in there. All right, let's add one more thing into my first quarter folder. So if I close that, it's much nicer looking. It's cleaned up. So let's say I want to continue doing morning work, but I want to make this first quarter and second quarter. So we're going to add a folder in, call this one first quarter. This is inside my morning work folder. So morning work, and then there's a first quarter folder there. Let's move these files into there. So you can just drag them one at a time. And you can always reorder things this way too. If you wanted this one here and this one down here, you could just drag and drop and reorder them. And then now that I'm in my morning work folder, let's add a second quarter. So then there's my second quarter folder inside my morning work folder. And I can even duplicate this assignment. Hot dog, duplicate. But I want to put it, you can see where we are here. I want to put it in my second quarter folder. This is very helpful. So duplicate it to there. Click OK, and there it is. Let's go ahead and edit it. Change the name to 1026 morning work. So this really cleaned up my desktop. Now, let's say some of this stuff is in second quarter, so we'll make another second quarter folder. Second quarter. And we can put some of these in there. And let's say maybe that some of this other stuff is stuff I use each day, but it doesn't change throughout the quarter. It's just it's a reference, or it's a link, or it's something that the kids use on a regular basis. You can call it like daily use or resources or something like that. So here's my daily use folder. So let's put that in there, put that in there, put that in there. And hey, we do morning work every day, so I can even put morning work inside my daily use folder. So what used to be a big mess is now a nice, tidy little space, and it'll look nicer on your student space as well. Good luck.